Hey everybody, so if your car or truck, four-wheeler is not starting, you might be in line for getting one of these. So this is a jump pack, okay? It is a 2000 amp, 12 volt jump pack, okay? So on button, and it tells us what our battery is at. I've got 2 bars going on right now. Over on this side, I've got my actual plug-in for my jumpers. Okay, and I'll do that in a little bit. Over here, we've got input and outputs. Okay, so this one right here is going to be, you can hook up your car kind of cigarette charger and you can charge your battery from that. Okay, we have USB-C right here. We can charge our phones if we want, and we also have USB outlets for that. Okay, so we have inputs and we have outputs here to help charge and to output or charge whatever that we are going to need. We also have a light that we can have. Okay, and that is a really nice LED light for dark time. So a pretty neat thing about this is this has a nice warranty, 1,000 charges and an 18-month warranty, which is that's better than normal 12-month, 1 year, and 1,000 charges is a lot. Okay, so there you go. Turn that off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook this up to my wife's van and start it because it is dead. So first thing we do, plug it in. You're gonna hear it beep. We've got some lights here. They'll tell us when we are ready to go once we've got this all hooked up. So I'm gonna do my red on red, my ground, and you will see that we've got green going on right here. There it's clicking, telling me that I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna start the van. Perfect, there it is. I'm going to disconnect. Don't touch those leads together. There we go. Okay. So we could do this with anything that has a battery. If you want to do a van, truck, do a whole allotment of different items, different vehicles to help jump. You know, lawnmowers to help jump. It's so much easier to carry this around than to have to get a wired battery charger to whatever you need. All right, so a very, very cool part of this charger is what they call a force start. So if the battery is so dead that it will not start, what we can do is we can actually push this little red button right here. Okay, that'll click in when we're all plugged in and we're hooked up, and you will have within 30 seconds of pushing that button to start your rig, and it pushes all that power into it and hopefully start your rig. So once again, one more cool thing, that little force start button right there. All right, there's a battery charger. Thanks everybody.